So we're going to be looking at distance time graphs. Now the reason these are called distance time graphs is because on your y-axis you have, as you can see here, is distance, and on your x-axis you have time. And distance time graphs often tell a story, and it's kind of decoding the story, but it also tells us a lot of information and values we can figure out from it as well. So we're going to explain kind of the different parts of an equation. So here's an example we'll come back to in a second, but first here is a picture of a graph, okay, and it's going to just describe the different parts. So anytime you see a flat line up here, a horizontal line, this means the distance is not getting any greater. The distance from the point of origin, or where you started from, isn't getting any bigger. So it shows that you're stopped. When the line is going in an upwards direction, it means with the distance you are getting further away. And with the downwards direction, it means you are coming closer back to where you started. Okay, so two things. The line's going up, it means you're getting further away. Horizontal means you stopped. If it's going down, it means you're getting closer to home. Now, when a line is curved, and this is not as important for year 10, but when a line is curved upwards, it can show you that it's slowly getting faster and faster. Whereas if it's a flat line, it means it's a constant speed. But if the line is still flat but steeper, it means you're going up higher over a shorter amount of time. So it means you're going faster in terms of your speed. So let's go look at an example here. Here's Billy's trip to the pool, okay? If I was to tell this like a story, okay, he starts off walking away from home. And we can see the speed here because in 1 hour, he travels 4 kilometers. So his speed is 4 kilometers an hour. Then we have a horizontal line, which indicates he stopped at that distance. And it was stopped for half an hour. So then he stops for half an hour. Now, the next part of the line, you can see is slightly steeper, okay? It looks similar, but it is slightly steeper. From the steeper line, you can see it's faster walking. And you can see here, it's a period of 1 hour. And over the hour, they cover 6 kilometers, which means the speed is 6 kilometers an hour. Now, again, he obviously arrives at this pool because he stays there for an hour. So this is when he arrives at the pool here and doesn't get any further away from home because he's at the pool. After that, he returns home, and you can see that because the line's going down, so he's getting closer to home. Now for the speed, you can see we go down 10 kilometers, and it's over the period of an hour and a half. Okay, so 10 kilometers in an hour and a half. And so to figure out the speed, 10 divided by an hour and a half, 6 2/3, or 6.6 reoccurring kilometers an hour.